Hey guys, welcome to our channel Techno Saviour. So guys, now that you must have known that Ledger Nano S supports Zencash and Bitcoin Private. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can install Zencash into your Ledger Nano S and how you can send or receive Zencash. So stay tuned till the end of this video because I will share with you the live Zencash transaction. So let's get started. So here you can see the news that has been mentioned, that is the Zencash support was officially added to the Ledger Nano S cryptocurrency hardware wallet, one of the top rated hardware wallets on the market, and the Ledger Nano S currently supports over 25 coins including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and now the Zencash. So if you want to download Zencash to your Nano S, then you have to follow these instructions. So these are the 4 points which I will cover up in this video. So guys, here you can see the list of cryptocurrencies which are supported by Ledger devices. So you can get into ledgerwallet.com and find out the list of cryptocurrencies which are supported, but here you cannot find Zencash because it was just recently added. So what you have to do is you have to get into Ledger Manager and yes, you have to click on Launch App. And then you have to see, okay, my devices is Ledger Nano S, and now what you have to do is you have to update your firmware, then only the Zencash will come, or else it won't. So you can see the last updated was 6 minutes ago. So now when I get back to applications, I'll just scroll down to find Zencash. So here it is, and then you have to click on it to start the download process. So now you can see in my ledger I have got a notification allow Ledger Manager. So once I select, the installation of the application gets started off immediately. Okay, so guys, the installation is going to take some time. So in the meantime, what you can do is we have a channel page in Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram. So if you want to get updated news, so then you can follow us over there also. Okay, so now there is a message that the installation has failed. So that is because after we updated the firmware, we had not reinstalled the Bitcoin app. So that has to be first of all installed. So once we click on the installation, then it's again going to take some time. Yeah. So here you can see that we have got again the list of cryptocurrencies. So now if we come down to find Zencash, yeah, so here again we will click on download. So again the installation process starts. So guys, this is the normal practice, like after you update your firmware, the Bitcoin app gets uninstalled. So that you have to install, and then again you have to install the Zencash. So now that you can see that in my Nano Ledger, I have got this message, this notification that the Zencash has been installed. So now what we have to do is we have to get into Ledger Wallet Bitcoin and then install that app. So now you can see the Zencash has been installed. So what you have to do is you have to just click on select the Zencash and click both the buttons together, and then the wallet gets opened and the synchronization starts in the web. So as mentioned, this may take a few minutes. So as you can see, the wallet has opened up, and getting into the first tab, that is account, you can see I have no Zencash as of now. So getting into the third tab, that is receive. So if you want to receive Zencash from someone, so what you have to do is you have to click on display address on device. So address gets generated on the web as well as on the hardware wallet. So what you have to do here is you have to cross check whether both the address are same or not. If it is same, then you can go ahead and send this address to the person from whom you are going to receive the Zencash. So getting into the second tab, that is send. So if you want to send Zencash to someone, you have to put the amount of Zencash what you have to send, like for example 5, and then put over here the address of the recipient and the account, the my account, then the account to debit, and the transaction fees you can select here, and you can see how much tax, how much transaction fees you have to send, and then finally click on send over here. And then if you get into settings tab, then you have few options here in settings. Getting into the first one, that is display. So here you can select the Zencash unit, and then the counter value and the exchange rate, and then the interface language and the region. And then getting into the next one, that is the coin. So here you can select the required number of confirmations, and then next you can select the default transaction fees. So guys, now I will show you a live transaction from where I will be sending Zencash from my mining account to the hardware wallet. So for that, what I have to do is I will just copy this address and then paste it here in the payment address, and then I have to give the 4-digit pin and then update the account. Okay, so now I will do a manual cash out of around 1.36 Zencash. So I will mention my 4-digit pin and then click on cash out. So guys, now you can see at the right hand side corner that a new manual payout has been created, and then you can see, so boom, the transaction has been done. So if I click on receive and display address on device, so guys, towards the left hand side you can see the address against which just now I did the transactions in front of you. And towards the right hand side you can see a new address which was generated soon after I clicked on receive, after I had completed the transaction. So every time I click on receive, a new address is generated if there is no transaction made on the previous address. But this does not mean that you cannot use your previous addresses. So guys, this was all about the installation of Zencash into Ledger Nano S and how you can send or receive Zencash. So if you feel this video was useful for you, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Techno Saviour. Thank you.